Hello everyone. So how make money with affiliate marketing website? So Fiverr affiliate. Okay. So boost your earning by driving traffic on Fiverr. So promote the learning marketplace for freelancer service. Get paid to drive traffic easily. Okay. So Fiverr affiliate. Okay. So your communication plan, join an affiliate. Okay, from promote Fiverr, start earning. So join now. So Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so first name and email. Okay, so account type for private. So first name. So last name. Okay, then email ID. Okay, so username com. Okay, so username. Okay, so password. Okay, then confirm password. So get maximum letter and number. Okay, so here's password strong. Okay, so password, then password, then company, then country, then US. Okay, so phone number and इसका ID, that next. Okay, so community commission plan. So commission plan has a Fiverr offer service in every digital category fit for any business need. You understand every vertical and audience is different. So we offer different payout and depending on what Fiverr product or service you choose to promote. Okay, so Fiverr CPA 15 থেকে 150 CPA anything CPA depending on which service you first time buyer purchase. Okay, then Fiverr business, more product can your choose promote. Fiverr lending with skill covering the financing costing. Fiverr has a product fit you any device. Okay, so Fiverr business 100 100 dollars CPA once this the account research and 10% rev share and 12 month. Okay, so Fiverr affiliate 10% for every referral affiliate earning for lifetime. So Fiverr land land 30% to 30% of the of ever course order. So Fiverr work space 50% for ever unlimited plan. Okay, so Fiverr CPA commission. Okay, so Fiverr Pro, all Fiverr Pro service 150% dollar, so 50% then date. Okay, so interest become a Fiverr affiliate. Start earning now. Okay, so Fiverr affiliate store. Okay, so affiliate store, click. Okay, okay, so the ultimate affiliate tool read. Okay, so hand packaged service to help you maximize your earning and build, so grow and scale scholar every affiliate channel. Okay, so web and blog, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Okay, then support marketing tools. So so marketing tools for us, more earning for you. So as a Fiverr affiliate, you get access to our largely portfolio of high high performing marketing tools to promote Fiverr and maximize your earning. Web build to tools. You spread the world. Everyone wins. Okay. So generate custom Fiverr links. Easily generate links for specific page search and landing page category. Page search result for any on Fiverr related page. Difficult and drift link. Then easy direct your users to any page. Associate on with Fiverr, add an option optional tracking code to better monitor you campaign the promotions. Okay, so get start. So Fiverr guideline, then buying in Fiverr, login, commission plan. Okay, so commission plan. So e-commerce product video 30%, 3D product animation, video animation, logo market, so t-shirt marketing, professional editing, so financial consulting, product commission composer, then illustration, then gaming, then articles and blog, video marketing, social media marketing, so over and the plan. Okay, so interest in becoming a affiliate marketing. Okay, start now your tools. Okay, so affiliate marketing, commission plan and support and blog and login. Okay, so first of all অ্যাকাউন্ট তৈরি করতে হবে, দেন অ্যাফিলিয়েট মার্কেটিং। এই অ্যাকাউন্ট করার পরে আপনারা খুব সহজে এটার মাধ্যমে অ্যাফিলিয়েট মার্কেটিং করতে পারবেন। ওকে, সো এখানে কিছু প্ল্যান রয়েছে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। ফাইবার গাইডলাইন, যদি ফাইবার গাইডলাইনে যাই তাহলে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন এখানে বিজনেস স্ট্র্যাটেজি, বিজনেস উইথ অ্যাফিলিয়েট মার্কেটিং, হোয়াট ইজ অ্যাফিলিয়েট মার্কেটিং। সো নেক্সট ভিডিওতে আমরা আরো বিষয় নিয়ে আলোচনা করবো। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন।